Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change currency on Zoho Books. So, just head over to books.zoho.com. Next, click on the gear type icon or the settings button. Then, next, just navigate to organization section. Then, click on currencies. Next is look for the base currency tag. Then just hover your mouse to change base currency. Click on the drop down menu, then change to the currency or choose the currency that you want to apply on your account. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!